Yeah, I'ma bring that look like Buddha. Get out my way like Luda. Fuck whoever trippin', got shooter. Stay yellin' out free scooter. You want that business?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you my first attempt in doing these Kiss acrylic nails. Yep, let's get into the video. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying the fake nail to my real nail using super glue, but the kit comes with a glue, but I didn't use it since I had this one already opened. And before I put the nails on, I forgot to push down my cuticle, so that is what I will be doing in this next part. And before the video I also prepped my nails by filing them so it's not like shiny, so the nail's gonna stick to my nail. I'll be back in the next part. Please don't mind my shirt. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened, but don't look at it. So here I had my green dish to put the monomer in, and you have to make sure it's glass. I have my acrylic powder. Then in the pink perfume bottle top, I have acrylic mixed with like some gold makeup powder. That's I was gonna do something with that, but you'll see. But this is my makeup brush that I used to use, but I feel like it's too big. I should have just stick with the brush that came with the kit, because when I watched the reviews on YouTube, they say the brush that comes with the kit is like too small, so you probably need a bigger brush. But this brush is too freaking big, and it's taking up really too much product. The powder, I wipe off all the excess product, then I redip it into the monomer, then the acrylic powder, and then I repeat the process every time so my brush doesn't get hard and it's more easier to use. But this brush is way too big anyways, but I'm gonna switch my brushes soon. Right here I switched my brush. This is the brush that comes with the kit, and that is the gold powder that I was saying. This is mixed with acrylic and some makeup eyeshadow. I believe it's like gold. I feel like I should have done this to all the nails. That would have been so much easier, because when I got to painting my nails with the nail polish, it kept on messing up, and I feel like I put way too much nail polish, so it wasn't drying fast enough, and right now my nails are messed up, so I'm gonna have to remove the nail polish and paint them over again. So using this brush was way more easier than using the bigger brush. I feel like the key component is to consistently wipe the brush off before dipping it back into the monomer, and that will keep the brush from getting hard. But I'm right-handed, and using my left hand to do my right hand, it was surprisingly very easy, and my left hand came out really good. Like, applying the product was so easy. Like, I expected it to be very challenging to do that, but it was actually very good, so that was good. So I'm finally finished with applying that acrylic, and now it's time to file and shape again, which took forever because I don't have the drill thing that they have at the nail salon. So I had to file the cuticle area. I had to shape the nail again, and I had to buff any lumps or clumps to make the nails all even. So that took a pretty good time. But thank God I had a very good filer, and it made the process really good. Well, I didn't put too much clips of me filing, but now I'm using this baby blue gel like nail polish on my nails, and I feel like I should have used my other blue because this one kept on messing up, but the color is nice. This brush that I'm using, I dipped it in nail polish remover to wipe off excess stuff that got on my skin, but it's a makeup brush. I don't know what it's for, but it's like a really tiny makeup brush, and it was perfect for me to use. So now I have my makeup palette with some makeup color. They're like glittery, but I'm just filling in this nail that has the silver details because some of the spots I missed, so I'm filling it in. And I feel like I should have just did the whole nail like that. But anyways, I used the darker blue and I kind of outlined some of my nails, and this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.